Hi Pash. So this issue, in this issue, I have one customer here who is only customer, and then I have one vendor, and for both this, for customer and vendor, I'm having one contact which is common in customer and vendor. So it's n7@steven.com and n7@steven.com. So when I log into the customer portal, I see this widget. So currently I selected Rogers Center, and Rogers Center is only customer. So if I log in here, I can see this PO widget, and if I go inside, I am still able to access this purchase order, which is not applicable for the customers. And if I select Puma outlet, which is a vendor, for this also I have two POs which required acceptance. This is fine, but for this Rogers Center, this widget shouldn't be available here. Yeah, that's an issue. Thank you.